Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. If you've never seen me before, my name is Luisa Flores and I like to do all types of videos on my channel. So right now I'm here in my kitchen with my apron on and we are going to be making a very easy margarita pizza recipe. So I'm really excited to show you guys this recipe because it's really easy and I always get so many compliments on it. So I'm gonna link down below where I got this recipe from, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it as well. So let's get right into it. So you're gonna need a couple teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, some basil. These are from my garden. I just have to wash these. I'm gonna need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, some mozzarella, and some pasta sauce, like tomato sauce, sorry, and some measuring cups and 2 bowls. So I also forgot you need 1 warm cup of water. You obviously can use whatever ingredients you want or have. I don't judge, so go ahead. If you want to put pineapple on your pizza. So the first step is just to combine the 1 teaspoon of yeast with 1 teaspoon of sugar and the 1 cup of warm water. We're just gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes and let it foam up. If it doesn't foam up, then please try it again. So here I'm just mixing the 2 cups of flour with the 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm whisking it so it gets all incorporated. So while I was waiting for my yeast to foam up, I just took some time to whisk the mixture, and I also shredded my cheese there. So now we're gonna make a little well with our flour, and we are going to be mixing in the liquid, the yeast liquid. Slowly at a time, we're gonna just incorporate it in. You can totally use a mixer or even a food processor, but I like to use this because I am so lazy to get out my my mixer. I only bring that out really for like cupcakes. So yeah, I'm just this is the way I like to do it. I think it just saves a little bit more time for me. So now make sure you flour your flat surface, and we're gonna start kneading the dough. Just if you've never kneaded dough before, all you have to do is just push it with your hand into just pretend it's Play-Doh basically. So now I'm just going to be oiling the bowl that we're gonna put the dough on top of. We're gonna cover up the bowl and just put it inside the oven. The oven is off, by the way. So yeah, it's just gonna rest for about half an hour. Hey guys, so while my dough was rising, I just did a quick workout. So it just takes about half an hour. So yeah. So I've just realized I didn't really get the part of me stretching out the dough. It's really pretty easy. You just kind of stretch it out with your hands. Hopefully no one Italian is watching this. Probably gonna get like death threats. I'm just joking. I don't know. Like it's not like the proper way to do it, I guess, when we're talking about pizzas, but this works just fine. I kind of just stretch out the dough and then yeah. So now this is the best part. We're gonna poke some holes on the dough, and just so we can start putting the pasta sauce on there. I just like to spread it out first. Then I'm gonna do the mozzarella that I already shredded. Um, After that, I have already washed my basil, so I'm gonna add that. And like I said, you guys can just put whatever you like on your pizza. It's just like pizza's pizza. There's no bad pizza, to me anyway. So I like to coat them in just another little layer of tomato sauce, just because in the oven they can get like pretty dehydrated. Hey guys, so now I'm out of the shower. I did my makeup and I'm ready to eat my pizza. This is what they look like. Yum. So I I forgot to mention, before I put them in the oven, I also added some olive oil on top just to make it that much juicier.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video. If you tried out the recipe, please let me know how it went on the comment section. Subscribe and share. Bye.